Hello and welcome back to my Foodi Foods. What are you cooking in your foodie today? Today we're going to make what is called a ground beef taco dip. So these are the ingredients real quickly here. You can add iceberg lettuce. Personally, I don't use iceberg lettuce myself. That's just a personal preference for our house. It's not one of the best lettuces for you. However, you can add iceberg lettuce. I will chop up my spinach and arugula into thin slices. About to ground my ground beef and chop up my tomatoes in small dice-sized bites. That is what you'll be seeing. And then on this side, I'm going to mix the cream cheese, the sour cream, and some of the onions and bell peppers to have a cream dip texture. And then once the ground beef is done, I will drain it, add the taco seasoning in a cup of water, let it get a little thick, and then we will continue on with the actual recipe. So that is what you will be seeing, all once again being cooked in this wonderful gadget, the Foodi. Okay, so where are we? We are, ground beef is browning. As you can see, it's probably about a couple more minutes from being done. I've chopped up my tomatoes. I have shredded my arugula and my spinach. I now have my cream cheese and sour cream with a pack of taco seasoning in my blender. I'm going to blend this until smooth. Place that mixture into this small pan, and by that time the ground beef will be drained. I will season that with the second taco seasoning packet. Add the water, let that thicken. That will go on top of the sour cream and cheese mixture. That is the next process you will be seeing. Alright, so the taco seasoning and water has been added to the drained ground beef. Letting it get a little thick. This is going on top of the sour cream mixture here. And then I will coat that with the remaining ingredients and we will have us a dip. Okay, so it's the cream cheese, sour cream, taco seasoning mixture. I'm getting ready to add the ground beef mixture. The ground beef has been added. Now I'm going to do my greenery. That's how that looks. Next is my cheddar. And then tomatoes. And peppers. Just diced green peppers. And then you can also add black olives and jalapenos. I'm going to top mine personally with jalapenos. I have a non-spicy person in my family. And you are ready to eat. Take your Tostitos or any form of chips that you would like. Dip in. Yum, yum.